Hey, my name is Nick Goodwin with Revolution Roofing out here on Tim's house. Claim number 0796708311. Going to do a repairability test on this wind damaged shingle right here and show why this roof is not repairable.
Trying to be gentle as I can. All right, one down. Gotta get that old broken one out of there. I was gonna pop those up. Where's that right there?
That's pulling that one off too.
It's getting heavy. Broken. See what that done?
Yeah, with a granule up.
No, tore that other shingle out.
Yeah, it did tear the other shingle.
Alright, we're gonna keep continuing. These shingles are just tearing apart, man.
As you can see, trying to get that shingle. Look at this.
Just falls apart.
Didn't even pull out the whole shingle.
See, you ain't picking the roof up very hard. I gotta go up to this next one. I'm gonna be able to get that out. Now holding this bag and everything else. I can't get there and get to the nails. There it is.
There's a nail right here on the ends.
Yeah, I gotta get up here and get these further.
But the one above it's coming apart.
I'm stopping, man. I ain't tearing this man's roof up.
I got the shingles out. Look at this. These shingles just, the shingles just rip.
I'm not tearing it. I'm not. We're done.
Oh, well, I'm not gonna pull that out.
Can't do a proper repair test on this.
But as you see, trying to replace this shingle just separated, come loose, it split. All the tabs. This roof is not repairable. You can see all the damage
All the way around this whole house.
Thank you.